How to get a Level 2 account on Webull. So you've heard about Level 2 on Webull and you're wondering, how do I actually get it? Is it just a setting? Do I need to pay? Is it worth it? Let's break it down. First off, Level 2 on Webull isn't a separate account type. It's more like an upgrade to your existing account that gives you deeper market data. Think of it as unlocking the backstage view of the stock market. You'll see up to 50 levels of bid and ask prices, not just the best one. That's huge if you're into active trading or options. Now, getting it is pretty simple. If you're on mobile, open the Webull app, tap on your profile icon, scroll to the Market Quotes section, and look for Level 2 Advanced, Nasdaq Total View. Hit subscribe. That's it. You'll be prompted to pay, usually $1.99/month. But new users often get a 90-day free trial. If you're on desktop, you'll find it under Widgets. Add the Order Book widget, and you'll see the Level 2 data populate. You can also check if it's active by looking for the yellow ELV2 icon on any stock profile. If it's blue and says ELV1, you're still on basic data. Some users say the approval for Level 2 options trading is a bit trickier. You'll need to apply through the app, answer a few questions about your trading experience, income, and risk tolerance. Be honest, but strategic. If you say you've never traded options and you're risk-averse, you probably won't get approved. People on Reddit and YouTube suggest framing your answers to show you understand the risks and have some experience, even if it's just paper trading. Once you're in, the data refreshes automatically. You'll get access to NOI, Net Order Imbalance Indicator, and more granular order book info. It's not just for show. It can help you spot momentum shifts, price walls, and hidden liquidity. Traders say it's especially useful during volatile sessions or when scalping. But if you're just buying and holding, you might not need it. So yeah, getting Level 2 on Webull is easy. Just subscribe, maybe apply for options access, and you're good to go. It's cheap, powerful, and gives you a serious edge if you know how to use it.